Imagine standing in your workshop, tools spread out before you, ready to tackle that exciting DIY project. You're about to build something incredible from scratch. Maybe a beautiful table, a garden shed, or even transform an old van into a luxury camper. It feels empowering, doesn't it? The satisfaction of creating something entirely your own. But here's the twist. When you think about it, are you really starting from scratch? The tools, materials, and even the ideas you're working with have likely been influenced by pre-built systems. So, what if DIY isn't about rejecting the use of these systems, but about leveraging them to achieve even better results? Let's explore how pre-built systems can supercharge your DIY projects, making them faster, easier, and more rewarding. You might be surprised to hear this, but pre-built systems aren't the enemy of DIY. They're the secret sauce that makes your projects more efficient and cost-effective. It's easy to assume that doing everything yourself means doing it from scratch. But what you might not realize is that even the most seasoned DIYers rely on these pre-built systems to get the job done. For example, using pre-cut lumber for a table saves you countless hours compared to cutting raw wood yourself. And that's just the beginning. Pre-built systems not only save you time, but also reduce the complexity of your projects, helping you get from idea to finished product faster and with less stress. One of the major benefits of using pre-built systems is cost efficiency. Mass-produced components, like toolkits and DIY kits, are often far cheaper than sourcing individual materials or creating your own from scratch. Take a ready-made plumbing kit as an example. It comes with all the necessary fittings and pipes at a fraction of the price you'd pay if you had to buy each piece separately. The convenience of buying in bulk also eliminates guesswork, making your projects not only cheaper, but also easier to execute. Pre-built systems also offer you professional-level results that would be difficult to replicate manually. Prefabricated metal brackets, for instance, ensure your DIY shelves are sturdy and reliable, something homemade supports might not be able to match. But it's not just about having the right tools. Pre-built systems also make complex tasks more achievable. Take power tools like a cordless drill. These tools handle a variety of tasks, from drilling holes to driving screws, significantly reducing your workload. DIY kits for specific projects, like furniture building, gardening, or crafts, come with everything you need in one package, including materials and easy-to-follow instructions. Want to build a raised garden bed? A kit with pre-cut wood and hardware, plus a step-by-step guide, can get you started with minimal effort. And the beauty of modern technology can't be ignored either. Online tutorials and apps make learning new skills easier than ever. Whether it's a YouTube tutorial for drywall repair or an app to visualize your next home project, technology puts all the information you need at your fingertips. What's great about using pre-built systems is that they don't stifle your creativity. Quite the opposite, actually. They allow you to work smarter, not harder. The goal is to take advantage of pre-built systems while still incorporating your own personal touch. Start with a clear plan for your project and figure out which components you can source from pre-built systems and how you can integrate them into your design. If you're building a backyard deck, for example, you might use pre-cut planks but handle the design and finishing touches yourself. For more complex projects, you might consider kits, like a solar panel installation kit, which comes with everything you need to get your power system up and running. These kits are a great way to learn new skills without feeling overwhelmed. Digital tools, like design software and measurement apps, also help ensure precision and save you valuable time and energy. The benefits of embracing pre-built systems are numerous. One of the biggest advantages is faster project completion. When you don't have to source or create every single component from scratch, your projects move along much more quickly. Take a bookshelf kit, for instance. It only takes a few hours to assemble, compared to the days it would take to cut and finish raw wood. Pre-built systems also improve safety. Factory-tested materials and tools are designed to minimize the risk of accidents, which is especially important for DIYers tackling larger, more complicated projects. For example, a professionally made ladder is far more stable and safe than one you might cobble together yourself. And when it comes to stability, pre-built systems often lead to better quality. Precision-engineered components, like prefab steel brackets, provide a more secure and durable result than hand-bent metal. Another significant benefit is the reduction of waste. Pre-built systems are designed to provide exactly what you need, reducing excess material usage and helping you stay on budget. By using the right materials and quantities, you'll minimize your environmental impact too. Instead of buying excessive wood or hardware, you'll be using only what's necessary, which means less waste and a more sustainable project overall. However, while pre-built systems have a lot to offer, it's essential not to over-rely on them. The beauty of DIY is about learning, creating, and developing new skills. If you depend entirely on pre-made components, you may miss out on the valuable experience that comes with hands-on crafting. The key is balance. Use pre-built systems as tools that complement your learning process. For example, using a woodworking kit can help you understand the process of creating furniture, but be sure to learn techniques you can apply to future projects. Customizing pre-built systems is also a great way to maintain your creative input. Take a prefab garden bed, for example. You can paint or stain it to match your outdoor aesthetic, giving it a personalized touch. For smaller tasks, consider going fully DIY. A picture frame, for example, can be made from raw wood and a saw, no kit required. It's about knowing when to take the easy route and when to challenge yourself. The more you build your skills, the more confident you'll become in taking on complex projects. Pre-built systems are there to assist you, not replace the learning process. In the end, the goal of DIY isn't just about proving how independent you are. It's about creating something meaningful, functional, and enjoyable. Pre-built systems make that process easier, faster, and more efficient. Whether it's assembling a kit, using prefabricated parts, or following an online tutorial, these systems save you time, money, and effort, while allowing you to focus on the more creative aspects of your projects. The key is finding the perfect balance between using pre-built systems and your own creativity, ensuring that your DIY efforts are practical, personal, and rewarding. So, if you're looking to supercharge your DIY projects, start by embracing pre-built systems where they make sense. They'll help you work smarter, not harder, and take your creations to the next level. Ready to get started? Whether you're building furniture, installing solar panels, or crafting your dream garden, the possibilities are endless when you combine the best of both worlds. Don't wait. Take your DIY journey to new heights today.